Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Come. Can you come here, please? Go. I have to go now. Open. I'm opening the door. Close. Close the window. It's cold. Sit. Sit down next to me. Stand. Stand up straight. Start. Let's start the lesson. Stop. Stop talking for a minute. Buy. I want to buy a new phone. Sell. He's selling his old laptop. Win. We can win this game. Lose. It's okay to lose sometimes. Give. Give me your hand. Take. Take this. It's for you. Push. Push the door to open it. Pull. Pull it gently. Don't break it. Laugh. You always make me laugh. Cry. She cried at the sad movie. Love. I really love chocolate. Hate. I hate waiting in long lines. Begin. Let's begin now. Finish. I finished my homework. Teach. I can teach you this word. Learn. He's learning fast. Find. I can't find my phone. Lose. Don't lose your keys again. Arrive. We arrived early. Leave. They had to leave quickly. Remember. Please remember my name. Forget. Don't forget the answer this time. Fix. I want to fix this bike. Break. Be careful. Don't break it. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Fall asleep. She fell asleep during the movie. Ask. Can I ask you something? Answer. Please answer the question. Catch. Catch the ball. Throw. Don't throw it too hard. Walk. Let's walk together. Run. He runs every morning. Help. Can you help me, please? Hurt. Don't hurt yourself. Grow. Children grow so fast. Shrink. My shirt shrank in the wash. Save. I try to save money. Spend. She spends too much on clothes. Pass. He wants to pass the test. Fail. Don't be sad if you fail. Speak. Speak louder. I can't hear you. Listen. You need to listen carefully. Ride. I love to ride my bike. Drive. My dad drives to work. Smile. You have a nice smile. Frown. Why are you frowning? Stay. Stay with me. Leave. We have to leave now. Build. Let's build something great. Destroy. Don't destroy it. Live. Live your life fully. Die. Don't let your dreams die.